Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, it's Marissa again, working on our projects and on our Christmas projects. If you had watched my previous couple of videos, I have told you guys that I had pre-recorded Christmas projects until the end of the month, but I unfortunately deleted 6 of them. So here I am re-recording the projects, and in this case we're going to recreate this cute little treat bag, and we're going to go ahead and create maybe a little bigger than this. And we are going to use this paper, by the way, is from the Joyful kit by Kiwi Lane. This is an older kit. Trying to see which paper it is that I use. Here's the paper that I use for this kit. This is retired from Kiwi Lane, but I still have about 2 or 3 of this. So if you'd like to hit me up for the kits, please message me in my Scrapbooks Hawaii Facebook group. If you haven't joined that, just join it and then just message me from there and let me know that you want this kit. The kit has these different papers here. They're so cute, very, very cute papers. And off of this kit, I will still use this for our current project. I've already cut it, and I've already cut this, and I've already layered it in a red cardstock, and I've cut it to size to fit this project here, and I've already pop dotted it. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the side so that when we finish our project, we can just put this on over here. So this is how it would look like, but we're going to use a different paper this time, and not paper from Joyful Kit, but we are going to use paper from our current Kiwi Lane Cheer layout kit. This kit is available actually, and if you want to avail of this kit, the link to my Kiwi Lane website is down in the description below. Let me show you some of the papers. I've already used some of the papers in this kit in my previous projects. I also have the link to my previous Christmas projects in the description below. I am using this paper here to create or recreate our treat bag. So I'm going to go ahead and score this at 3.5. I'm making it a little bigger than this. I'm going to start the scoring at 5.5, then at 5, then at 8.5, then at 10. You know what, guys, what I forgot? I'm going to have to trim this paper down to 10.5. So this paper will end up measuring 10.5 by 6. I'm sorry, guys. My brain is somewhere else today. Let me go ahead and trim this down to 10.5. I'm sorry about that, guys. My apologies. I didn't think it through. My brain is not working today. So again, let me go back and review. We scored it at 3.5, 5.5, 8.5, and 10. Then we turn it this way, and we score it again at 1.5. So we are making a bag here. So first we're going to fold on the crease lines. This is a very easy project, guys. Very, very easy. So at this point, let me show you with my pencil, because I'm having a feeling that this is going to be hard to see. So this is where these 2 creases intersect. Okay, so what I'm going to do is miter this when I cut. I cut a miter on an angle, if you will. Then I'm also gonna cut, this is the line that goes straight down. I'm going to cut a very thin sliver into a V. I'm going to do the same thing. There's the line where the points meet, where our points meet. Again, a little V sliver. So I'm going to just cut down a sliver right there. I am not a very good drawer, so but I hope you see what I'm trying to do here. We're just going to cut the sliver over here and a sliver over here. So you see, I'm not cutting through the straight line, but a little bit in. So let's go ahead and start doing the cutting. So cut here up to the point and then cut up, not from the straight line, but a little to the side, the V. Okay, we're going to do the same thing on this side. The line is right there, but we're going to cut a little sliver up. Same thing here. So the lines will not be straight.
Going up to the point.
See how easy this is, guys. So far, we're almost done. It's just cutting and then adhering this together, and we'll be done. Now we're going to go ahead and adhere this. I'm going to take my tear tape here. So if you guys want to order the tear tape, please let me know. It'll be by Elizabeth Crafts. It'll be the tear tape from Elizabeth Crafts. And this is a 1/4 of an inch. It comes in several different sizes. The skinniest size will be 1/8 of an inch. And then it goes up to 1/4, 1/2, 1 inch, 1.5, 2 inches. It goes up to 6 inches. So we even have sheets. So if you want sheets, let me know. And we can do a group order. Message me at my Facebook group, Scrapbooks Hawaii, if you'd like to avail of the group order. Okay, guys, we have created our seam, and wow, it disappeared on me now. Okay, so here's our seam, right? So here's our seam right here, and I like my seams towards the back. So which means this is my front, okay? So what I normally do in the front is I just pull the flap that's in the front, put this down, and then this is where I'm going to put the adhesive. I like using the tear tape to reinforce my bags or boxes, because you're going to put stuff in there and you want to make sure that they won't fall off, you know. So that's why I normally use my tear tape, or you can also use your wet adhesive. So at this point, you go ahead and put your goodies in there and then crimp this up this way. All right. And what I would do at this point is get my pencil and make my 2 holes, figure out where I want my 2 holes to go. Like for this one, I'd like them to go there. I'll get my crocodile and I will make a hole. I'll make the 1/8 of a hole. Then I get my ribbon here. I'll cut about 18 inches. I normally just eyeball it. I'll thread this through the front. Okay guys, don't forget to put your goodies here before you put on your ribbon, because your ribbon is your closure. And trust me, I've done that before, where I put the ribbon, I'm so proud of myself, and I just realized, oh my goodness, I didn't put my goodies in there. So, I just left my head off and I had to start over again. Put your ribbon and make your little bow. Sometimes your bows will start out to be ugly like mine. And all you have to do is just finagle with it and make it cute. So I used to be very ribbon challenged, but over the years, after a while, I realized, hey, why do I stress over it? You know, when you first do it, like I did earlier, they come out to be really ugly. But just finagle with it until you're happy with the result. You see how I'm doing it? I'm still finagling with it I'm going to go ahead and trim the tail. Okay, this is the best that this ribbon would go for now. Okay, and then we're going to take our embellishments that I showed you earlier. You put that on here. And there you guys go. Let me just clear my desk here a bit. Like I had mentioned earlier, this is just a little bigger. This one is just a little bigger than this. This here, if you want to know the measurements, is I went ahead and scored it at 3 inches, 1 inch, 3 inches, 1 inch. So that means there's 3, 4, 7, 8.5 this way. Okay, and then this measured 5 inches. So this paper measured 5 inches by 8.5. So basically you can get your regular 8.5 by 11 cardstock or paper, and you can cut that in half and create this size of a treat bag. So how cute! So anyway, you guys, this is our cute project today. Very easy. Anyone can do it. And you know me, I like easy, fast projects because we all have a busy life, especially this holiday season. So I went ahead and did it this way, get it done. It's all ready to go and be giftable. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And for those of you who haven't subscribed yet, this is the best time to subscribe, you guys. Click on the subscribe button. After you click on the subscribe button, be sure to click on the bell button so that you will be notified of my uploads. I try to upload twice a week. I try to upload on Mondays and Thursdays. I have some extra uploads some weeks, but I try to make it regular at 2 uploads per week. And yeah, so that's it. I appreciate you guys watching. All other information for the products that we've used today are all in the description box below. We also have a playlist of all the Christmas projects that I have done so far. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.